Looking to update your service area on your Facebook page? Let's walk through the steps to edit your service area information. To begin, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, and select Pages. Switch to your page by tapping the down arrow next to the profile photo and selecting the page you want to switch to. Once on your page, tap the profile picture and then the edit icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Edit Your About Info. Next, locate the pencil icon next to your service area. Tap on it and remove your current service area by tapping the X next to it. To add a new service area, tap on Add Service Area and select your desired region. Once you have selected your service area, remember to tap Save at the bottom to apply the changes. By following these steps, you have successfully edited the service area on your Facebook page, ensuring that your business information is accurate and up to date. Keeping your service area updated is crucial for reaching your target audience effectively. Thank you for watching this guide on editing your service area on Facebook page. Stay tuned for more helpful tips to optimize your online presence.